Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the hands-free calling test in the Poco X3 device. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question that how is the hands-free calling experience in the Poco X3? So while playing the game, if you get any call, so if you're taking a call and then some of the users, they are not able to receive the voice on the other side. So they do have this kind of problem in the hands-free calling experience. So let's see friends, by playing the game, and I'll try to give a call to this mobile phone right now in the Poco X3, and I'll make sure that it's working properly, and if there is any problem, I'll let you know friends what are the things to know as well. So if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you are having any other problems regarding the Poco X3, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to find a solution for that kind of problem. So now let me try to give a call to my mobile phone here. So I'm trying to call the phone here, and right now I'm trying to play the game, and here is on the top notification you can see I'm getting a call, incoming call. You do have the option of declining an answer as well. So let me try to click on the answer. So let's see what will happen to the game in the background if I click on the answer. The call is open in the completely in the another window. As you can see friends, background the game is still there. So I did not expect this kind of thing. So whenever you answer the call, it should be in the small pop-up window like this. It should not open in the big window. So let me try to do this kind of process again. So I'm trying to end the call. So let me try to start call again, so you might be able to feel it. So now I'm trying to play the game. As you can see friends, the call got opened in the another window. So this is not good at all. In the other Realme phones, it's completely different. The hands-free experience is really good in the Realme phones. So where if you answer any call, it will try to stay only in the top pop-up window only. It will not open in the separate application, in the phone dialer application. So at least we do have this kind of floating window. But as soon as I answer the call, it should be converted into this floating window instead of opening in the another option. So that's another drawback. So maybe in the future updates we might be able to get that kind of features, but right now this is a big drawback you are getting. And regarding the voice, so even when I am planning to play the game, the other person who is on the call is able to listen to the voice properly. But only one thing, if you play the PUBG game and if you use the mic on the PUBG, then the other person may not be able to hear the voice. So you need to disable the mic in the game. So in-game mic you need to disable. Then if you try to talk on the call, then the other person will be able to listen to your voice. So this is a major problem which a lot of users there did face. Like they are playing the PUBG game or any other game which requires the mic usage, and when they talk on the call, the other person is not able to hear the voice because the game is utilizing your voice overall throughout the time. So this game doesn't require any kind of voice. So that's why I was able to my voice was able to go through the other channel. So this is a quick update friends on the hands-free calling, and this is a quick test as well. And for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So let me see, let me try to message one small message to this phone Poco X3. So let's see how well the notification will come. As you can see, you do get this kind of small message here, which is here. Let me try to reply, and which stays here as well, so which doesn't open in the big window. That's another good advantage whenever you want to reply. So this is a quick update friends on the hands-free calling in the Poco X3 device, and for more videos make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So the problem for that is the solution only is to disable the in-game mic. Try to disable the in-game mic and then try to talk on the call. Your voice will be definitely audible for the other person. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.